What's the difference between, like the technical difference between sweet potatoes and yams? Because we call these things in America yams, right? But they're not yams. These are sweet potatoes. So this is a sweet potato. The big difference is that a yam and a sweet potato are not at all related. Not at all. They're both tubers, but that's like saying, a human and a dog are related. Like, we're both mammals, but so they're both tubers. That's it. Aside from that, a sweet potato it has skin that you can eat, edible skin. It's a defining difference. The inside is starchy, and yams have a starchy inside, but sweet potatoes are sweet. Yams tend to have a blander taste. And yams, there are so many varieties of yams all over the world. And it is incredibly difficult. Like, you're not going to, depending on where you live, you're most likely never going to find a real yam at your normal or like mainstream Kroger grocery store, unless you live in an African or predominantly Caribbean area, or maybe some, predominantly Asian areas, because yams in certain Asian cuisine. But when you see it says yam at the grocery store and it looks like this, it's always a sweet potato. Yams never look like this. Like I said, the skin on a sweet potato is edible. That's one characteristic. Yam skin is not edible. Yam skin is usually rough, very rough, almost like bark. It looks like bark, versus this smooth skin of a sweet potato. And of course, there's lots of different varieties of sweet potatoes too, right? Jewel, Garnet, Beauregard are the three orange ones common to the U.S. We also have the purple sweet potatoes. So that we've got the Stokes purple with the purple skin and then also the purple inside. But we also have the Okinawan. Those are the best. Okinawan purple potatoes, gray on the outside, purple on the inside. There's so many different varieties of sweet potatoes. And yams are very common everywhere around the planet, but not in American cooking. Sweet potatoes are common in American cooking. Yeah. Oh, one sec. I'm going to take you next, and then you first, sir. Those are sweet potatoes. Yes. Yes, those Korean yams, those are, those might be my favorite. I say these are my favorite, though, because I'm from Georgia, and, these are these ones I grew up on, but those are probably my favorite. So the Korean yams are sweet potatoes. Yes, those are the ones, they're, kind of purplishy, grayish on the outside, and have they're kind of they've got a little redness to the outside, but inside is the white, and they're creamy. Those are sweet potatoes.